Whether you're sitting in your Tesla right now and you're about to hand it off, or you're planning in advance, here's a very short guide to using Tesla Valet Mode. So let's jump in, and then I'll share a few kind of key details after I've showed you how to turn it on. Jumping into the car here, all you have to do is adjust the front part of your screen. So from here, you can click on your user profile at the top, and you should see an option for Valet Mode. And then here you just enter a PIN, and then that sets it into Valet Mode. It works best if you have your key card with you, so you can hand this off to a valet. And now this will limit what is accessible for the valet. Here you can see you're still going to need a PIN for the glove box. It keeps people from snooping around. And then also another good thing to mention is you normally have addresses up here. So they can't see your work address or your home address, so a little more privacy. To get out of Valet Mode, all you have to do is click back on Valet and then enter in your Valet Mode PIN. So some of those other details to consider, by putting it in Tesla Valet Mode, it will limit the max speed to 70 miles per hour. And it also puts it down into chill mode, which is slower acceleration. And of course, you don't want your valet randomly doing a fast joyride. On top of that, you should get notifications to your phone when someone is using it when it's in valet mode, so it gives you a little more peace of mind. If you want to limit the max speed further, you can actually go into driver speed limit or parental controls, and you can limit it all the way down to 50 miles per hour. This is the lowest you can set it, and I think there are a few regulatory reasons for that. Either way, you can feel a little safer when you hand off your Tesla to some random person. If you found this short guide useful, I'd really appreciate it if you just tap that like button as well as subscribe, because that helps me out as a small creator. I hope to see you again soon.